Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going today? It's actually 20 minutes into the day, 12:20 right now. I got this box in the mail, just got home from work. Been really excited about this. This style is what I've wanted for probably about 2 years now, and they finally came out with it. So what these are the Spec-D actual taillights for the WRX. So let's get to it. I'm going to get this box open and we'll take a look. So this package actually says company JUN. Guess it's their actual manufacturer and then just rebranded. So the box looks like it came in pretty good condition. There's a little dent here on the side, but I don't think that really messes with anything. So let's take a look. First off, what I see in here is some relays. We'll have to figure it out tomorrow morning whenever I install it on the car. Looks basically like it's a positive and a ground, but it has some instructions too. So see what we need to do from there. These look super nice. Looks like a just quick connect, which with the quick connect, not sure why I need these relays, but like I said, I'll figure it out. Let's go ahead and peel some of this off here and take a look. Now what these are is the clear lens with a gloss black frame, I guess you could say, or housing, with a red sea light. So first impressions, these are super nice. It's going to be a whole lot better than just the little wrap job that I have. I was surprised too of how big this box actually was whenever I got it. So ready to put these on the car. I'll show you how it's done, and I'm going to go to sleep now so I can wake up early and take care of this. Okay, so if you've never actually taken out your lights before, what you do is there's a plastic piece right here at the bottom. You're going to have 3 push clips, one here, one in the middle, one on the side, and they're going to be kind of tucked down in here. So once you have those 3 push clips removed, you can take this plastic piece here and just start pulling up, and it comes right out like this. Now the next step is going to be to remove little, I guess you would call them like push clips or push pin clips. There's going to be one right here, there's going to be one up top, and then one tucked back right in here. That'll let you be able to pull this piece out, and you'll be able to access the 3 screws, or I guess 3 nuts that are holding your taillight in. So you'll be able to pull this back afterwards, unclip your taillight. If you look in here, you'll see that there is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, the lighting's a little poor. I'm trying to get this done before I have to get off to work. But you'll remove these 3 8mm nuts, and the taillight will slide right out. Now with these taillights, there's going to be, I guess, like a resistor piece here. And if you look on the actual taillight itself, you have your yellow, looks like positive, and then your black being your negative. So I'll connect red to yellow and black to black, and it has a little bit of 3M on the back here so you can secure it somewhere inside the car. I'll show you where here once I get it all installed, but besides that, pretty simple. So this is the setup I have in the back here. You can see I have the resistor, which is kind of 3M below there. I don't really think it matters where you put it, but if there's any issue with that, I'll be able to figure it out here in the future. But besides that, I have it plugged in, tightened down, the side's ready to go. I'm going to make sure I test the lights first before I put everything back up and button it up. So now moving on to the other one, which is the same process of what I just showed you here. I'm going to go ahead and do that one off camera. Be back with you once I show the taillights. Alright, so here's the final unveiling. There we go, it looks pretty nice. It's the Spec-D, I guess gloss black housing, clear lens, red reflectors. Looks really good. So here's just the actual, I guess, nighttime running lights. I don't have anyone with me at the time, so I'm going to have to film it and then watch it afterwards to make sure everything's working good. But looks pretty good so far. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. These lights look pretty good. Looks as if at the moment it does have a hyper blink going on, so I'll be able to figure that out here in the future. But as always, happy driving and enjoy. Alright, so I figured out with these taillights that it actually upgrades everything to LED, so whenever I have a lower voltage coming out through LEDs, it causes the hyper flash. Now I thought I had fixed it, but whenever the lights are not on, meaning the headlights or taillights at nighttime, it works perfectly, but at nighttime when I am driving and have all the lights on, then I get the hyper flash. The way I was trying to fix this here is using the Diode Dynamic Smart Tap. I'm going to go ahead and install this. The actual portion is about right in here. I think I have an issue with all of the bunch of wires coming down through here from the dash cam and then interior lights and everything, so I'm going to have to just go underneath and pull it out. So in looking underneath your car, this is to the passenger side, this is outside from the driver's side. You can see if you look to the right, it's that box right there that you're going to be removing. So in getting to the area, what I'm going to do is actually remove this Phillips head right here. It popped off the little side. You just kind of jam a screwdriver under there. You can pop that off real easy. And then there's a little clip right here you have to take off as well. Then you can pull this portion and be able to access the actual relay itself. So this piece just kind of pops out on itself. Yours will come down a whole lot more. I got some wires holding it up. But you can see right there is where the actual flasher is. So whenever you're actually taking this out, these two little tabs here on the side, you just kind of pull them out. You can actually bend them, just be careful that you don't break them. And there's going to be a white clip, which you can see, find it here, white clip right in here, and you just push the top of it and you're able to just slide this piece out. I just wedged a screwdriver to be able to pull it out. As you can see here, I kind of messed up and broke this side of the tab off, but this side should still hold it up whenever I put it back in. To be able to remove this to transfer to the new one, if you look under here, you'll see a little tab right in there. and you'll just wedge a small flat head in there to pop it out and transfer it to the new one. So I now have everything put back. With this relay, it actually has a tap to signal, so you don't actually have to press the stalk all the way down to be able to turn the blinkers on, so that'll be cool. It also has some strobe functions. I'm not sure how it's going to work with these lights, but I was going to test it out and see how it worked. You can do a wig wag, a fast strobe, a slow strobe whenever you have your hazards on. So going to be trying that now. So the actual module relay fixed everything. The lights work perfect now. This is the actual strobe. Kind of works. I don't know. It looks kind of cool, but it's just kind of odd to me. But it has that tap is turned, so that's really cool that I don't actually have to mess with the stock. I can just kind of bump it while I shift lanes, because Subaru drivers do use their blinkers unlike some other stereotypical drivers. But besides that, really liking these lights. They look sweet. Now, some of y'all didn't quite know what the arrival and departure lighting is, so I'll go ahead and show you now. So this would be a departure. I just got out of the car and I lock it, so the lights will stay on. What's pretty cool is in the front here, these lights will stay on and this kind of blinks, so that's pretty neat. Now this stays on for 20 seconds and you can change it anywhere from 10 seconds to 90 seconds, which is pretty cool. But besides that, yeah, you can see it just turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock the car as if I'm arriving. So beeps twice, and then shows the lights. And then in the rear, you can see they light up as well. And this is whether you have the lights turned on or turned off, it'll do it either way. And as always, happy driving and enjoy.